Hello, welcome to my channel once again. Today we're making arroz con pollo, which literally means rice with chicken. There are a million ways of making this. This is my way. I'm putting onion, bell pepper, lemon, the juice of a half a lemon, white wine, chicken broth, the chicken, saffron, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, parsley, salt, tomato sauce, and a can of pre-cut veggies. And of course, the rice. The rice that I'm using is a round rice, like arborio. It is also called Arroz Valencia in some other places, or Arroz Bomba in other places. You can find them by different names. But it's a round rice because it will absorb all the flavors better than the long grain rice. So we heat the pan, we add the oil, the extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going to saute the onions and the bell peppers until the onions are translucent. You can saute them a little bit more if you want the onions a little bit sweeter. Once the onions are sauteed to your liking, we add the garlic. That's gonna take about 30 seconds to do. We just want the oil to flavor the rest of the ingredients and to release its oils. That's followed by the saffron, and here we have to move really quick because we don't want to burn the saffron. That will burn really quick, and then the whole purpose of making the rice will be wasted. So just takes a couple of seconds. Then we add the tomato sauce, and what I want with the tomato sauce is I want all the water to evaporate, and I just want to be left with the tomato. I'm layering all these flavors. See, already we have about 3, 4, 5 ingredients already in there. Once it is like that, we add the wine, we bring the temperature up, and we're going to boil basically the wine. We want to get rid of the alcohol. That's gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your stove, the size of the pan that you're using. But we want the flavor of the wine. We don't want the alcohol, the flavor of the alcohol. Then we add the chicken stock. That is a homemade chicken stock. That came out of the chicken that I'm going to use for this rice, and it's already very flavorful. It has salt, but I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt because I'm going to add the rice, and that's gonna absorb all the flavors. And on top of that, we still have to mix the chicken, and we still have to mix the veggies. And the veggies, the canned veggies, I bought them without salt. This is the only time that you're going to move the rice because we're not making risotto. We're gonna bring it to a boil. We're going to cover it and simmer for 15 minutes. Then we turn off the heat, leave it covered for 5 minutes, and that's the result. Your rice, at least on a stainless steel pan like I am using, it doesn't stick on the pan at all. Now we just have to add the chicken and the veggies, and that's pretty much it. Consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the little bell on the top. That will let you know about new videos. Thanks for the likes or the like, and share it with your friends on social media. At the end, I put a little bit of a lemon juice. That is up to you how much you want to put, and I serve it with sweet plantains. I haven't been able to find fresh plantains for about 2 months, so I just serve it with that. Thank you and see you next time.